How to set a primary currency in Wise. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you using multiple currencies in Wise? Well, here is how to set your primary or default currency so you can manage your money your way. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you can just tap on account or balances tab depending on your app version. And after that, on the new page from the list, you can just tap on the currency and select the currency that you want to set as primary. So here, while Wise doesn't have a formal primary currency button, the one you use most or keep topped up becomes your default for spending, sending, or card use. And if you are using the Wise card, you can go to the card settings and choose which balance to spend from first, and that's your practical primary currency. And that's it. That's how you can manage your main currency in Wise. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.